Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Aisha Rashid Khan from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Today we are going to discuss another chapter, and that is learning and development strategy. By the end of this lecture, students will be able to explain what learning and development strategy is and understand why organizations develop and use learning and development strategies, defines strategic human resource development, and describes its long term, business led, and future oriented nature. Discuss the philosophy behind human resource development, including the belief that learning contributes to competitive advantage. Differentiate between learning, training, development, and education with examples. Explain how organizations create and sustain a learning culture using global organizations as example. Introduction to learning and development strategy. What is learning and development strategy? It's actually a planned approach that helps organization build a skilled, talented, and adaptable workforce, provide employees with continuous learning opportunities, align learning initiatives with organizational goals such as innovation, growth, or digital transformation. The main focus is values and behavior that encourage learning every day. How the organization gains and shares knowledge collectively. Learning organizations where learning is embedded into structure, processes, and systems. And individual learning focus on personal skill enhancement and career development. And there is an example, Toyota allows the Kaizen continuous improvement philosophy, where every employee from assembly line workers to managers learn daily. Employees attend learning circles, they propose improvements based on their learning. Learning is integrated into work. This makes Toyota one of the most efficient and quality driven global manufacturers. Next is strategic human resource development, and the definitions includes by Walton 1999. Strategic human resource development guides learning processes so individuals and teams have the skills, knowledge, and competencies needed for current and future tasks. Harrison in 2000 said that long-term business-led, future-oriented focus on building organizational capability. And the key idea is strategic human resource development connects learning directly with organizational strategy. For example, if a company aims for digital transformation, it develops digital skills. If the company wants global expansion, strategic human resource development focuses on cultural intelligence and languages. And the example includes Google invests heavily in strategic human resource development to stay innovative. Career certificates builds advanced digital skills, internal academic support, leadership, and technical development. Learning initiatives are aligned what is business strategy of innovation, AI and cloud computing. And the third point is aims of strategic human resource development. Build a comprehensive learning framework, policies, systems, and structures that ensure learning is systematic and continuous. Number second, enhance resource capability, developing competencies in technology, problem solving, collaboration, leadership to strengthen organizational performance. Number third, build intellectual capital, knowledge, skills, and expertise that give an organization a competitive advantage. Next is develop a learning culture, a culture where employees experiment, ask questions, share insights, learn from mistakes. Next is support employability. Employees gain skills that help them grow both inside and outside the company. Align HRD with business strategy. Number 6, learning initiatives directly support long-term goals, and the example includes Siemens builds future capabilities through the Learning Campus, Future Skills Initiative for Industry. Partnerships with global universities. This helps maintain leadership in engineering and technology philosophy and strategic HRD. Next point, underlying beliefs that help HRD practices. HRD continues directly to organizational success, learning drives improve performance, innovation, and productivity. HRD must support business and HR strategies. Development programs must align with strategic goals. Learning must be performance related, focus on outcomes, not just completion of training hours. Everyone should have opportunities to learn. Inclusive learning leads to higher engagement and talent retention. Personal development plan supports self-managed learning. Employees set their own goals and take responsibility for growth. Organization provide resources, employees own their learning, a shared responsibility model, and the example is the Unilever promotes self-managed learning by using personal development plans, providing coaching, applying the learning model experience, relationships, and offering global leadership development academies to support employees' growth and future leadership. This philosophy creates a strong pipeline of future leaders worldwide. Elements includes human resource development. Human resource development consists of actually the four key elements, that is learning, training, development, and education. Each play an important role in building employee capability and support organizational growth. Number one is the learning. Learning refers to long-term behavioral change that covers through experience, reflection, and continuous improvement. It goes beyond formal instruction and happens naturally through work. For example, at Samsung, employees participate in job rotation where they move across different departments. This hands-on experience helps them learning new skills and develop deeper understanding of the business. Number second point is training. Training is structured and formal instruction focused on improving the skills required for an employee's current job. It involves short-term goals such as improving efficiency, accuracy, and the example includes Amazon provides specific training to its warehouse staff on how to use system based on Amazon Web Service scanners and automatic tools actually to ensure smooth dealing. Number third, development is about preparing employees for future roles, building long-term capabilities such as leadership, strategic thinking, and innovation. For example, IBM runs global leadership development programs designed to prepare employees for managerial and executive positions. Number fourth point is education. It provides broader knowledge, concepts, and understanding. Often not tied to a specific job role, it focuses on intellectual growth and expanding thinking. For example, Microsoft partners with universities to offer cloud-related degree programs. These educational opportunities help employees gain deeper theoretical and conceptual knowledge about technology and digital transformation. Another example, Microsoft uses all four education, cloud certificates and university degrees, training, labs, and technical workshops. Development includes leadership acceleration programs and the learning hands-on projects and innovation challenges. Next, strategies for creating learning culture. These are the 8 strategies with international examples included in it. Develop and share the vision. Number 1. Shared vision gives direction and purpose to learning. For example, IBM communicates a clear learning first vision through international platforms and leaders. Number 2, empower employees. Should give autonomy to learn, experiment, and innovate. For example, Spotify squad model empowers small teams to innovate, learn, and make decisions independently. Provide supportive learning is the third point. Environment offers resources, technology, psychological safety, and access to learning tools. For example, Amazon provides free access to web services, skill builder, sandbox environments, and learning pathways. Number next is coaching techniques. Manager must become learning coaches, not just supervisors. For example, Coca-Cola runs global coaching programs where managers support employees with feedback and development guidance. Number 5, guide employees with feedback and resources. Continuous constructive feedback is essential. For example, Deloitte real-time feedback system. It helps consultants improve continuously rather than waiting for annual reviews. Number 6, manager as a role model. Leader must demonstrate learning behavior. For example, LinkedIn leaders publicly share their learning goals and encourage employees to be lifelong learners. Number 7, encourage learning networks. Build communities where employees share expertise. For example, Huawei uses knowledge sharing platforms and internal conferences where engineers worldwide collaborate. Align systems with the vision is the 8th point. HR system rewards, promote management, must support learning. For example, DHL Certified International Specialist Program. DHL runs a global certified international specialist program to ensure that every employee develops strong logistic knowledge and service excellent services. Through this program, all employees receive standardized training, develop shared understanding processes, values, and customer services. The completion of the CIS program is highly significant with the organization. It directly influences internal mobility opportunities. It plays an important role in promotion decision and is recognized as a key achievement in employee development. This approach ensures. Thank you so much.